The Hoover H Purifier 500 has been designed to help you breathe, sleep and live better. It features multi-sensors that automatically monitor the air quality in your home in real time. The H Purifier connects to the Hon app, which gives you air quality data, pollen levels, statistics and forecasts. And it allows you to control the settings and customize them to your family's needs. The H Purifier is ideal for hay fever and allergy sufferers, as the H-Tri filter system combines 3 layers of filtration to trap microparticles such as dust, bacteria and pollen. The 500 model also has a diffuser, which allows you to go beyond air purification. It releases aromatic essential oils or hygienizing probiotics in the air with the H Essence and H Biotics collection, and you can even adjust the intensity to your personal preference. Plus, when it's time for bed, select the sleep mode and it will continue to purify the air at a consistently low noise level, improving the quality of your sleep without disturbing it. So, thanks to the Hoover H Purifier 500, you can really breathe, sleep and live better.